And that VNL weather app, it's updated throughout the morning by our own meteorologist, Lisa Green. She has been tracking this system for days, saying it's going to come here. Sure enough, this morning, the rain, it's here. Good morning, Lisa.
Yeah, it still feels strange, even though we knew that it was going to be here. It's weird to be talking about it and to see it on out the window here this morning and on the radar. Here's a look at one of our plow cams in Minnesota from the DOT there. This is something that's concerning to me this morning. Of course, we're talking about the wind and snow later today, but we're still dealing with the impacts of this first round. First of all, we've had the rain, and you could see some of the water droplets on the windshield there of that plow. And some areas where temperatures are below freezing, we've got some icy patches there. And then on top of that, we're getting a little bit of snow as this is mixing over. And you could see ahead of the plow in this recent image, some snow on that left-hand side of the roadway. This is around the Bagley area along Highway 2. So again, this is going to be an issue for some drivers here this morning. We're talking ice and snow and the potential for some very slick spots. And we did have, at least on the Minnesota DOT map, a report of a slide off there. I'll point that out here. If you go to our website and go to the road conditions tab, you'll be able to click on both of our Minnesota and North Dakota road maps, in South Dakota too. And then you could see on this here, this little icon indicating a slide off that had happened, or an accident. In this case, it's a slide off east of Bagley. So it gives you an idea of what drivers are experiencing. Hopefully that person's okay. In addition to that, you could see some blue and purple on the map. We're looking at those areas being indicating that we have some areas of perhaps ice or snow or slush, or a combination of the two, affecting travel in that northwestern corner of Minnesota. And then other areas in blue, some patchy areas of ice or slush on the roadways. In North Dakota, our view is a little bit better. We have blue indicating some wet roads, but up to the northeast in yellow, that's where we've got some ice. So Langdon, the Cavalier region, back over to Candu, some places where we're looking a little bit slick. On top of that, we've got another round coming our way, and it will first start as wind, and you could see our live view in the background of our area conditions graphic here. This is in Devil's Lake at the home of economy, and you could see it shaking a little bit, jostling with that wind that's picking up in our western counties. Temperatures are in the 30s. We're looking at some numbers that are below freezing in some spots, Bemidji, Devil's Lake, other places where we're just barely holding on to above freezing temperatures. A little snow being reported in Bemidji right now. Speaking of that wind, a gust to 33 in Devil's Lake right now, 32 in Jamestown. That strong wind that's been happening out west, really intense in fact, will start to migrate eastward into eastern North Dakota through the day, and we'll see our chances for snow pickup too. Right now though, still have that lingering round from that first bout of snow, and that's still going to continue here this morning in some of those places in the south and east. And then we'll be looking north and west. You can see that snow in Manitoba. That's going to have some impacts on us as we head later into the day today. So bus stop planner this morning, starting off icy on those sidewalks and a little slick on the roads too. Temperatures near freezing, and this afternoon temperatures don't change much. They may even slide a little bit. We're looking at 32 your high today this afternoon, with the snow moving in. Snowfall potential 1 to 5 inches for most of us. There might be a couple of pockets east from there that are higher than that. But again, first alert weather days today and tomorrow. The wind snow combination tonight, that's going to be a really big problem. And we'll of course have more on that throughout the day.
A lot to go over. Thank you for tracking it.